super, super pretty. Look at that mountain. Alright, let's have a look. What is that? I got a turkey. G'day guys, so I've just finished work and it's a pretty nice day outside, so we're gonna go film a moto vlog. We're gonna go out to a place called Natural Bridge today. I've been wanting to take you guys there for ages, and on the way out there's a place that me and Dad ride past, and it looks like there's some like caves up on a mountain, so we're gonna take the drone and find out what they are too. By the way, do you guys want a video on my moto vlogging setup? Because I've never seen anyone else do it the same way I do. It's cheap, it's easy, and you don't need a GoPro Media Mod, so let me know. Oh man, I have been fanging for a ride. I was supposed to go out for a squirt on the weekend with Dad and his mate, but unfortunately my sinuses were playing up and I couldn't go out. Yee-hoo! Oh, this is a great road. Always a little bit somber though when I'm riding on it. I don't know if you remember, but late last year I put out a video where I talked about how me and Dad came across a fatal accident, and that was on this road. So while it's a beautiful road, I mean, look at that. It's got a dark side to it for sure. Woo! So the place we're heading to today is in Numinbah Valley, and it's a beautiful, beautiful spot. Wanted to take you guys there for ages, and I've just never gotten around to it. So it is in the afternoon. Hopefully it's quiet there, and I can give you guys a really good look. Now on the way out as well, there's a park that Dad and I sometimes stop at, and we look up, and there's these like rock walls, rock formations, and it looks like there's caves up there, and we've never been able to tell what it is. So I brought the drone with me. We're going to send it up and we're going to discover once and for all what's actually up there. Might be nothing, but who knows. It definitely looks cool from down on the floor. People commenting on my videos saying life begins at a litre. Alrighto. I'm happy with my 400, thanks. This is a super, super popular route on the weekend when all the riders come out, but I wanted to go on a time when it's a bit quieter. Just easy to film, you know. Plus, there's less cops around. Got some bugs on my visor already. Hey look, fudge. Apparently it's not just on mountains, it's also in valleys. Thanks, mate. See those mountains up there? That's sort of where I'm talking about. There's a spot, I'll show you. It looks like there's caves in it or something. Look at this place. Super, super pretty. Look at that mountain. That is friggin' cool. Woohoo! Aha! Here we go. So the natural bridge where we're after is just up here, but those caves I was telling you about is down here. Beautiful as ever. Up there, not like just before the top, there's that steep bit, and then below it there's like there's something there, and we're gonna find out what that is. Alright, let's send up the drone. Does anyone else have the problem of getting really fucking fluffy hair after they wash it? I hate it. Fuck me. Oh, it's black now. Alright, let's have a look. What is that? There is something there. Oh, that is a long way away. Is that a house? Dude, there is something there. Is it a cave? No, it's just... It's a rock wall. Oh, it looks like a cave. True. Well, never mind, it's not a cave. Let's have a look around anyway. Wow, what a beautiful place. Yeah, well, that was a bit underwhelming, wasn't it? I was hoping for a bit more than that, but still pretty, but... Anyway, look, Natural Bridge is just up there, and that's something special, so... Man, it is incredibly beautiful around here though, isn't it? Is that a doggo? Wow. Right. Okay. Oh. Oh. Very pretty. Okay. Alright, let's go have a look. Fuck, this will be the most exercise I've done in, I can't even remember. So at night there are glowworms in this cave, but I think we're a little bit too early for them today. What a beautiful place, eh? At night, that whole cave lights up with glowworms, but I'm not going to stay out here that long because I don't want to ride back on those roads in the dark. Beautiful. Hey, those are some big fucking trees. Oh, fucking struggles to do. Oh, someone else has got a bike. This one looks a bit more equipped than mine. But I got a turkey. So what of it? Alright, well, how bloody nice was that, eh? Not a dog. Can't call it like a dog. Alright, well, sun's supposed to set in around 15-20 minutes. And I don't want to be out here when it does. I hope that if you're on the coast and you haven't been to that place before, you give it a try. It's worth it. And if you're in Australia and have the chance to come up here, if you're not locked down, please do come up and give it a squeeze, because that's one of the best parts of the coast, I reckon. Magnificent. Well, I'm gonna head back now because I'm bloody freezing my tits off. Wow, that was a wallaby. They're like small kangaroos. I gotta be on my game riding back. Really gotta concentrate, because at this time, lots of animals are starting to come out. So if I'm riding in a place like this, I'll always keep one finger on the brake, just hovering over it in case I need it. Because you know, if a wallaby like that jumps out in front of me, look, there's not really much I could do, but at least I've got that half a second more where my finger's already there ready to go. Oh man, the bugs! I realised that there was a bug on the camera before, so sorry if that was on there for a long time. God, me bloody visor's foggy like a Turkish bathhouse. I want to get home before it gets too dark and too cold, because there's animals about, as we've just seen, lots of bugs, and I've already cut enough diamonds with my nips. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, and I lift off. I take it away when I'm going around a corner though, because you never want to front brake during a corner. Oh man, here we go. Shingles Gully. Look, this is, yeah, I always go slow through here. This is a dangerous corner too. It's longer than you think, and there's bumps in it. See it here? Yeah, see, look, if I was going too fast, I really need to retire that bit of the road. Alright guys, might leave it there. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Find us on Instagram at quackerjack_. And let me know if you've ever been to... Was that a cop? Let me know if you've ever been to Natural Bridge. Beautiful, beautiful part of the Gold Coast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.